Hi, I'm Random, and this is How to Norby with your team. In this tutorial, we'll go over how to add team members to your Norby account, as well as assign various permissions for each user level. Let's get started. From the dashboard, go to the right-hand corner menu and select Team. After selecting Team, you'll be shown all active team members and their roles. To add a new team member, select the Invite option. Next, you'll enter in their email address and give them a role. Select between Administrator, Editor, or Contributor. For details on which permissions are given to each user level, click here to go to the Help article in the Norby Knowledge Base. Quick note, the number of team members you can add depends on your plan. Our most popular plan is the Growth Plan, which includes access for 3 team members. You'll find a description of the roles and their permissions here. Contributors have access to drafting and editing content and events, but not publishing them. Editors have full access to creating content and events, as well as reviewing analytics. However, they can't edit account or team settings. And administrators can do it all, especially when it comes to adding team members. So now let's get back to adding our new team member as an editor. An email invite will be sent to the new team member, and it'll show up in your account as a pending member. You'll be able to re-invite the team member, transfer ownership of the account to them, or remove them. Upon acceptance of your invitation, the team member's status will change to active. You'll then be able to transfer ownership or remove them. So, are you ready to add your team to your Norby? Go ahead, get started, and let us know if you have any questions. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you back here next time.